Okay guys, Steak Au Poivre, here we go. Let's get some of this beautiful gravy on here. Beauty, 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 beauty. Ah yeah. Woo! Okay, Steak Au Poivre, here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Barbecue Jams. We've got a great show for you guys tonight. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we are cooking up a beautiful Steak Au Poivre. It's French, oui, oui. It's going to be delicious, yeah. Anyway, here we go, guys. Who's going to be coming tonight? We're doing Ryan Cobb on some bass tonight. We also have Oscar Barnett on guitar and Arthur Zaragoza on guitar as well. Myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, guys, let's go ahead and get involved. Boom! All right, guys, let's get into this beautiful beef tenderloin that I picked up from my local grocery store today. So let's get it unpackaged and get it ready. So what I like to do is put it over a trash can, pull the plastic off, and then I'll bring it over here to the cutting board and I'll get some paper towels and just pat it dry. We're gonna take off this silver skin, get this all prepped up. And then we're gonna put some salt and pepper on it and let them sit for just a little bit before we pop them in this pan that we're gonna be cooking with tonight. We're gonna be cooking on this 10-inch cast iron pan. See this skin right here? It looks kind of shiny. That's what they call silver skin. We're gonna go ahead and pull that off. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this channel, please like and subscribe. We love having you guys get involved with barbecue jams, and we love bringing you guys new, fresh, wonderful episodes every week. So, anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the station. We're having a great time. Or this channel, sorry. All right, guys, you guys go in for a jam. I'm gonna finish cleaning this up, and we'll see you guys back here in just a moment. Hey guys, quick tip. Whenever I'm butchering meat or doing anything like that, getting it ready for cutting it up, what I like to do is take my honing steel and my chef's knife, and I like to run it just a few times over here, and it's ready to roll. So whenever you're using a knife, it's better to have it sharpened than not, because if you have a dull knife, you end up having accidents. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Back to it. So you're gonna see in this tenderloin sort of like a natural place to give it a nice cut. So this meat's sort of separating right here. So we'll just come through here and run our knife right through here. We're gonna clean this up a little bit, but this is what we're going for. We're looking for that just natural crease in the meat. There we go. And I'm gonna save this for later. And we also have another piece over here. Sort of that natural line, if you see it, that fat line right there. I'm just gonna come through, I'm just gonna cut that. Boom, just like that. Nice sharp knife, guys, it's key. Anyway, we're gonna clean this up a little bit more and turn this bad boy into a beautiful fillets, I should say, plural. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're gonna keep on cutting and getting this thing going. So you guys are gonna love this sauce I'm gonna be coming up for this thing here in just a moment. So enjoy these jams, guys. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's make some beautiful fillets. Beautiful. Look at that. That's what you get when you have a really nice, sharp knife. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna light up this charcoal. Here we go. Gonna get my little tumbleweed going. All right. Here's our chimney. We got it full of charcoal. It's gonna take about 14-15 minutes to get all burned in and ready to go. And we're gonna catch you guys back here in a minute. Let's get our pan on. There we go. Beauty. All right, getting ready to pop on our fillets. Here we go. All right, let's get these guys browned up. We're looking for about 120, 125 internal temp. And then we're gonna be cooking up our gravy here in just a minute. All right, let's give these babies a turn. Look at that beautiful crust. That's what we're looking for, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. Up here with the back. Gotta get the sides, people. You gotta get the sides. Okay, for this sauce, what we're gonna be using is we're gonna be using some shallot, some butter, also some cognac, some heavy whipping cream, some peppercorns, and also some beef stock. So get all that on that menu right here that Jeff's hooking me up with and check it out. Okay guys, now it's time for the au poivre. Au poivre. Thank you, Jeff. All right, here we go. We're gonna go with some butters. Now it's time to go with some shallot. 1 shallot. Next we'll be going in with some peppercorn. Now it's time to go in with some cognac. We're gonna go in with about, I'd say about 2 tablespoons. Make sure I don't burn my face off. Do a little bit of flambe on this. And burn my cameraman. Woohoo! There it is. Oh, yeah. We're gonna be going in with some beef stock. Say about a cup. And we're gonna let this reduce. Hope y'all are enjoying these jams. We're having a great time over here, guys. Please like and subscribe. We love it when you do, and tell your friends and family. Come on, let's get involved. Okay guys, time for some heavy whipping cream. All right. We're gonna stir this in and let it thicken up, and we'll be ready to serve. Okay guys, steak au poivre. Here we go. Let's get some of this beautiful gravy on here. Beauty, 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 beauty. Ah yeah. Woo! Okay, steak au poivre, here we go. Come on in everybody. We have Arthur Zaragoza over here, we have Ryan Cobb, and we also have Oscar Barnett playing tonight. So guys,
thank you.
It's gonna be a little hot, but it's gonna be right on time. What's up? Arthur, what's up, baby? Come on, man, come on. Ryan, Oscar, come on in, guys. Y'all just grab one, go for it, dude.
I am ready.
You ready?
This is the one.
I'm gonna do a little tippy over here. Oh boy. Yeah? Yeah?
Been waiting months for this, dude.
Oh God.
This is so good.
Come on. Lord Almighty.
We're not nice, so good. Come on, everybody, get involved. James Sullivan, come on, buddy.
C'est magnifique, or whatever. Magnifique.
Dude, that is so good.
Dude, that's right on time.
Yeah.
I'm about to treat these like the lamb lollipops. Look back. There's gonna be nothing left.
In my 77 years of life, oh, I've never seen anything like this.
Oh boy.
Oh my God, I've never experienced anything like this.
Oh boy.
This is wonderful.
All right, wonderful people. Guys, we're getting involved. We're having a great time over here. The steak turned out insane. You guys gotta try it out. I hope you guys are enjoying the jams. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna catch you back here in just a minute. Boom. Alright guys, we had an excellent show tonight. This steak au poivre was delicious. It was so good. You guys got to try this out. The jams, of course, guys, killing it.
Yes.
Hey, you guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you very much, Derek Enter, as far as the swag goes. As always, y'all be good. We're going to catch you guys next time. Peace.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah,
It was wonderful.